So yes, I finished having my shower, so I'm preparing something to eat, and I just decided to have green salad because I'm going out and I don't know what the day is holding for me, girls. If I need something to eat, I'll definitely, sort myself out there.
Tell this because it happened while I was in Spain. And for those of you guys who actually watched my vlogs of me being overseas, you guys would see that you guys have experienced and saw what happened. Now I'm about to actually tell the story of how it came about that this elderly couple actually attempted to steal my purse. And now the reason we're convinced of them is because one, we found everything.
So guys, in today's vlog, we are going out and we are going to feed the bears. We are going to feed the bears, baby. Okay? So I am going to take you along on my vlog, honey. I have my camera with me, and yes, it is what it is. Let's go, baby. It's just a walking distance, but right now it's 5 o'clock, so I don't know if it's advisable for me to take a bus, but I like walking, so definitely I'm gonna walk. We are here, baby. Let's go. This is a very big and beautiful lake. There are fishes here, there are birds in all sorts. Some people, they come here for fishing, and it's just for fun because you can't take the fish away. You can fish as much as you want, but after that you have to put the fish back onto the lake. Hey guys, welcome back to Boss Lady VW. Thank you so much for subscribing onto my channel, and thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, baby. So we are out. We are supposed to be here feeding the birds, but unfortunately, I don't know, is it because it's very late? I was the other side of the lake, but I didn't see none. So I'm trying to just go around and see if I can find one or two. If I don't, baby, it will be so misfortune for me, because this is the day that I choose that I want to come and feed the birds. I saw one or two right here. Yes, we have 1, 2 here, 1, 2 here. Okay. I'm just going to do what I can do right here. For some reason, I just started liking feeding birds. It started one day when I was in town, and I saw a lot of birds, and somebody brought food for them. They were sitting there, they were like feeding them. It was so adorable, watching someone feeding the birds. It was so adorable to a point whereby I sat there just to watch them eating. I just sat there just to watch them eating. And ever since then, I developed the love to feed birds, guys, and I can't keep calm. It make my heart so white. It soothes my soul. It's like a therapy to me, So I chose Wednesday. For some reason, I just chose Wednesday to be the day for me to go feed the bird. So this video was filmed on Wednesday, honeys. It was filmed on Wednesday. I don't know if maybe there's a spiritual meaning of feeding the birds on Wednesday, of which I want to believe because I am a spiritual person. So yes, this is me enjoying myself on my spare time on a Wednesday feeding the birds, baby. So yes, let's go. Look at them. Wow. Shem, I just love this. So yes, guys, we are here feeding the birds, baby. Oh my god, it's a bit sunny. It's a bit sunny, baby.
I'm waiting for the 14.
So I'm done feeding the birds. I'm not gonna be here up until I'm just here to, to explore. I'm enjoying. Look at that. Look at that rat enjoying itself. So I'm done feeding the birds. I'm not gonna be here up until I'm just here to, to explore. I'm enjoying. Look at that. Look at that rat enjoying itself. So guys, I'm just making my way back home, guys. My heart is white. Yo, how I wanted to come today, and in the morning it was a bit cloudy and I was like, oh my god, what if it rains? That means I'm not gonna be able, but we thank god, it was a bit cloudy in the morning, but it didn't rain. That's why, and that's how I managed to come here. I really want to appreciate. And guys, let me know what you think about this vlog. Let me know what you think about this vlog. I'm so super excited to manage to do this. I love pets. I love feeding them. I just love nature, I love nature, but I haven't explored much because all along all these years I'm someone who is so scared of a lot of things, but coming to the UK, I think it opened my mind to learn to appreciate a lot of things. That's why I even have this passion of feeding birds, so I just want to appreciate, and I want to thank myself to manage to do all this. So right now I'm on my way going home. I'm gonna just go around and check if there's any nail bar which is open, so I can go and remove my nails today, hopefully, so that tomorrow I'll be relaxing, I'll be packing and getting ready to go to work. So let's go, guys. If there's somewhere where I can do my nails, that's where I'm gonna meet you, baby. Yeah. So yes, guys, I managed to find a nail bar. I did my toes, I removed my nails, guys. As you know, I've been having my nail done for the past 2 months continuously, so I just decided to remove these nails and leave my nails, to breathe, honey, to breathe. you know if you have nail done, most of the time it weakens your nails, it makes your nails to be weak. So I just decided I'm just going to stay, for the longest time with my own nails. So yes, honey, I finished and I made my way home. Definitely, I did enjoy it this day, guys. I really did enjoy it myself. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe onto my channel. Turn on your post notifications so that every time I upload, you are notified. I love you guys, and I'll see you again on my next upload. Bye.